panagasapatan nga ro din Dagiti officials. Iti nasa nga ili, indawluan, wala yung muna na nagsarita ni Congressman Angelo Marcos sa Barba.
Please state your name.
I have been elected to the position of
Do hereby
Congressman of the 2nd District of the Province of Ilocos Norte,
charge
that I will well and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines.
That I bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
And I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees.
And I will obey the law promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines.
And that I, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Deja iti pasetmat iti nagbalin nga panagasapatan ni Congressman Angelo Marcos Barba. Dingin tayo met iti sa mga umano panagsarita ni Mayor Edmar Vincent Bonuan.
Sa Nicolas Express, not just to lead. I take this responsibility mindful of the words of Jimmy Carter. The test honestly and fairly, it deals with the many who must depend on it. This shall be our influential, but to be a source of strength and fairness for those who rely on us the most. The ordinary citizen, the silent worker for dignity. This government will not be measured by prestige or connections. We will listen more than we speak. Act more to the 11,739 who placed their trust, who are still uncertain. I invite you to walk with us together. Let us build a government. This is not the beginning of a term. It is the beginning of a shared commitment.
IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Deja met isa mga umano paset ti panagsarita ni Mayor Edmar Vincent Bonuan.